Hey y'all, let me show you how to unstale your cereal. Watch how, look at that, they're not even moving. Don't mind the bacon popping in the microwave. I was cooking bacon too. See, they stuck together. So you gotta take a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper, not wax paper. Preheat your oven to 350. Spread out your cereal in a thin layer on the sheet. When it beeps, we're gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes. I ended up having to put it back in the oven for 5 more minutes because they still had some moisture in them. And then when they come out, we're gonna do a crunch test. Listen to this crunch, y'all. I was shocked. I was shook it. You can really hear how crispy it is. I ended up taking these and making some cereal bars again. But hey, this is how you unstale your cereal. Not too much on my bagged cereal, y'all. We don't always do name brands over here. I'm about to make some cereal bars.